Hi, I'm Niraj. I'm a trusted sales coach and Amazon best-selling author of Everybody Works in Sales. I'm going to share with you some proven techniques and tips that are helping people in sales right now. Well, the first thing is, anytime you call any customer, make sure you do your research. That means you look at their LinkedIn profile, see what you have in common. It means you like and comment on their posts before you contact them. If they haven't got a great LinkedIn profile, spend time on their website. Look at news stories, look at blogs, look at case studies. And whenever you contact them, make sure you at least start the conversation mentioning something you read or liked about what they did. Believe it or not, that will make you stand out from 90% of people out there who don't even do that. The second thing to do is ask great questions. Now, I once heard somebody say, you don't have to have all the right answers. You do have to ask great questions. You can tell a lot about a person by the kind of questions they ask. Don't say things like, who are your competitors? You should know this already. But you can say, looking at your industry right now, what do you see the biggest changes in the next 3 to 6 months? That's a good question because it's an open question and it's a forward-thinking question as well. The third thing you got to do in sales is follow up. Most people will try and contact you once, and to my shock and surprise, you never hear from them again. It takes between 3 to 12 touch points to win a deal. And the final thing is daily learning. You should be reading every single day, listening to podcasts, watching videos, reading content on LinkedIn from people you respect and admire. I hope this is of value. Please take action. You'll make progress and you will get results. Good luck.